Traders, August 31st, 2018. It's a Friday. It's after the market close. It's the last day of the trading month. Next week, Monday, is Labor Day. We have a 3-day weekend. I want to get these videos out prior to the weekend starting, so you guys could marinate and think over what these stocks are going to do heading next week. And I'm going to start with NNSR. Review my other postings. I'm going to report on some other stocks as well. So let's take it. NNSR up another 11% today. This is mind-boggling how a stock doing real well. Well, this company that took over NNSR, Green Zebra, right? How they're doing real well. How they just entered the market and bringing out all their products hand over fist to the public, letting them know we went public and this is what's going on. This company could be gigantic, could make a few move like a fuse. I'm not saying it will, but could. Read what they're about and what they accomplished, their contracts, their future goals. They're on the right path. It's not like they're giving us a story that hasn't been written. They actually created the story and it's written. It's documented of the business they've done, the contracts they created, the contracts they have, upcoming contracts that might be signed in the near future. So they have a story that seems to be real and it's going according to plan. Very, very interesting. Okay, this is why I keep posting about NNSR for the last few days. It's like, wake up, guys, wake up. All right. So now we're at the point of almost exploding, 6 days or less. Now, when I say 6 days, it's 6 trading days or less. The weekends don't count. This is Labor Day weekend, okay? But I have a feeling it's going to happen sometime next week. But 6 days or less. But I really feel that it's going to happen sometime next week. Maybe Tuesday, maybe Friday, but somewhere along those lines. So we'll see what happens moving forward. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you want to learn the live trading language, take my course. And why I say live is because people should understand how the markets behave when it's being traded live, not when I'm posting like I am right now, letting you know what I believe is going to happen in the future, right? I'm providing you that posting because I see a picture and this is my opinion, and I decide to share it with everybody on Twitter. But there's also, as trades are happening through the day, right? Either getting in or getting out of position. And I'm not going to give examples of some stocks, even though I should, to make this video more entertaining, but I'm not. But there's certain points throughout the trading day a stock changes, or it's planning to change its pattern, where you see buyers getting out and sellers stepping in. This is also why you need to take a trading course. It's beneficial to you knowing when it's time to take your profits. Getting the bottoms are great. I mean, like, if you can't find a bottom, you shouldn't be trading. But if you can't exit out of position, you're not going to make a profit. All right? Aside from that, and this is why you should take a trading course. Now, I know there's a bunch of people out there telling you take out course. They train X amount of people. I've been trading for 20 years, okay? My financial background is Wall Street. Had my Series 7. I know how to trade. This is what I do. I educated people on trading before. To the language, and all my Twitter posts, all my posts on YouTube, and on my website that I just created. Not fully complete, so bear with me, guys. But created. You see for yourself, it's a language. I can teach you this language. Just need to put some time and efforts, and you'll learn it. Time and efforts, that's all it takes. And obviously being disciplined. That being said, NNSR. She's going to rip. 6 days or less. Keep your eyes on her. And don't tell me I didn't tell you guys. But it's almost her time. Better be in or watch others make money. Follow me on Twitter. Go to my site, thetradingteacher.com.